Hey kindergarten learners, Miss Loescher here today to talk to you about punctuation. Now, do you remember way back towards the beginning of kindergarten, we were first learning to write sentences? We learned that every sentence must begin with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. Now, you'll find punctuation marks at the end of every sentence you read, and you must include them at the end of every sentence you write. Punctuation is really important because it tells the reader what kind of sentence they're reading and what type of expression to use when they're reading it. Now, let's review the three different types of punctuation. We have the period for a telling sentence, a question mark for an asking sentence, and an exclamation point for a yelling sentence. Let's start with the period. You'll see periods at the end of a lot of sentences. They come at the end of statements or telling sentences. Here's an example. My dog's name is Lincoln. Read it with me using expression. My dog's name is Lincoln. See, that ends with a period because I'm just telling you about my dog. It's a statement. Next is a question mark. Have you seen my dog? Did you hear how my voice went a little bit up at the end? That's what we do when we're asking questions. Read it with me using expression. Have you seen my dog? Finally, we'll look at a sentence with an exclamation point. My dog ate the birthday cake. Read it with me with expression. My dog ate the birthday cake. That's a true story, by the way, and boy, did I say that with a lot of expression. Now we're going to read some sentences that are missing ending punctuation, and I want you to help me identify which punctuation mark goes at the end. Here's the first sentence. Lincoln, don't lick Granny's face. Lincoln, don't lick Granny's face. Do you know what punctuation mark goes at the end? Yes, it's a yelling sentence. An exclamation point goes at the end of that one. Let's look at this one. My dog likes to nap. My dog likes to nap. What goes at the end of that sentence? You got it. It's just a period. I'm just telling you about my dog, and that sentence needs a period at the end. Do you have a dog? Do you have a dog? What punctuation goes at the end of that one? That's right, a question mark. I'm asking you a question. Well, thank you for practicing punctuation with me today. Remember, readers and writers, every sentence ends with either a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. They help the reader read with expression. Off you go, readers and writers. Be sure to use and notice those punctuation marks in your reading and writing every day.